Today we will see another method of creating our structures. Okay. So there is one method. For that, I'm just going for structure. Yesterday we have created the same file I'm taking. So I just deleted all the things in this file so we can reuse it. Okay, this is what the default grid. So I can just go to this one. Okay. Okay. Now I'm just going for geometry run structure wizard. See, when you click that, you will be getting this kind of dialog box or window. And here, like we can able to create predefined structures. For example, we have prototype model and then user saved model. We don't have any user saved models. Otherwise, it will display here. First, we will go with prototype models. And here we have model type, truss models, frame models. See, truss models, we have this kind of trusses. Okay. In frame models, we have this kind of frames. Okay. And then we have surface or plate models. So we have this kind of things in it. Okay. Now we can go for solid models. We have one solid block. Again, composite model. We have this bunker. And we can able to import CAD models. We can also import a STAD model, or we can also import DXF model. Okay. Now we also have macro models. So if you have something like that, you can able to just import from here. Okay. First, we will go for a truss model. See, for example, I need this hallway roof. I'm just dragging and dropping. Okay. When you drag and drop, you can able to rename the model name. So from here, otherwise you can continue the same. Okay. Here you have length, width, and then height, and the number of bays along length, number of bays along width. See, first we will see as usual, like what we are getting. Apply. This is what the model. So you can just rotate and see the 3D view. Okay. This is like 50 meter, huge. But if you want, you can drag and drop again. So now I'm just going to put a 15 meter, and height I will put some 3 meter. Width I will put 5 meter. So number of bays along length. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you have. Okay, 6 you can continue. Number of bays along width. See, otherwise I can go here 10, and then here we can give 3. Which means like it will be equally the 10 meter. Now it will be, we can able to click here and see 3.33, 3.33, like that. It will automatically, it will come. Or we can go here and you can put some value. For example, here. 2. Here 3. So like that also we can able to modify. So here I'm just putting again 2.5 and then click OK. But it should be less than 10. See, if you're calculating 5, it is like coming 8, right? So it should be equal to 10. So what we can make means like 8, and then I will make here like, or we can increase another. Or here I will put 5. Then we can able to go for. And then apply, it will automatically come as you put there. Can you able to see 5 here in between, and then 2.5, 2.5, something like that. Okay. So like this, we can able to just do everything. And after what you will do, here you have something called transfer model. You need to click the transfer model. And then would you like to transfer or merge this prototype into StatPro? Yes. In which coordinates you want? For example, I want this in a 5. So I will put y5. Okay, and then click OK. See, can you able to see that? Like we got the structure here. So like this also we can able to just measure from run structure.
Can we export CAD file from this?
Like we can able to import CAD files also if you have some plans or something.
Export.
You were asking for exporting from here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can able to export to CAD files. Okay. That we will discuss later. Okay. Okay. This is what geometry run structure wizard.
Yeah.
Okay. See, here you also have frame model. See, just drag and drop a wave frame. Okay. Before that, I will just delete this one. Geometry run structure wizard. So frame models, Bay frame. So I'm just going to apply. First, we can able to see what is what. Okay, now if you want to edit something, Bay frame, click. Okay, here length I'm just going to put 10. Height I'm going to put some 18 like that, or we will consider G plus 10, G plus 14 or something like that. So in that case, you need to put 10 into 330, and then 30 plus basement 434 I need to put. And then width I will put 15. See, but in length, how many base you want? For example, I want 2. In width, I want 3. And then in height, I want like 11. Then we can able to just accordingly put here the value 4. So 3. Okay, so it should be like a tally with the 34. Okay, now you can able to apply that. See, this is what just we created. So like this, we can create residential complexes or flats, and we can able to assign. Whatever you are putting there, it will come. And see, again, another way, you can just go to file, merge the model with the StatPro model, and then put yes, and then you can just select 0, 0, 0. See, now we got that here. Go for 3D rendering, and we can able to see all the beams and columns.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and then we also have surface or plate models, and here we have spherical surface. So this also you can drag and drop, and you can able to see how it is looking like. See, this is what it is. If you want some dome, something like that, you can just go here. Spherical surface. See, at the same time here, we have spherical cap, and we also have spherical surface. When you put spherical surface and apply, and we can able to do some changes over there. And spherical region by default. Okay, spherical cap and spherical surface. Okay, and I'm just going for diameter of sphere. I will put 15. So, and then when you put apply, see, this is what spherical surface. Okay, but before it is like spherical cap. Okay, we need to put a base diameter also. Base diameter, I will put some 10. Accordingly, you are getting this spherical cap. Okay. So diameter of the sphere in the sense whole diameter, and then base diameter in the sense it will be cut off in that portion. So that's why we have like this. Okay. So top diameter also if I'm putting 5. So that you can just go for spherical region, and then you can put like this, and can you able to see you are also getting some open in the top. Like this, it is useful for many kind of structures. Okay. Now you understood here in the surface of plate models, the spherical surface is important. So we will be using sometimes. So spherical cap, spherical region, and then spherical surface. And you can also change after also. See, I'm just going here. I'm just going to put a base diameter some 10, top diameter 5, and then apply. And here, if I want to change something, I can change. But how? Again, you need to put the same.
Okay.
Start angle, end angle, divisions. Divisions here, longitude, latitude. We have 10. I can able to reduce that to 5. Can able to see now only 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here, if you want more or less, if I'm putting 10, it is like this, not in a spherical manner. Okay. If you want hexagonal shape, you can just put like this. Otherwise, 20 itself, okay. Or if you want only half, you can just put here 180 degree. Start angle 180. No, 180, it's not coming, right? Okay. Because it is like when you are going for a spherical cap, only for spherical surface, we can able to provide this. Okay. Okay, see, we are getting a half. Okay, like this trial and error method, you can just preview and then you can just merge into the model. Otherwise, like you can just do like this search. For example, spherical region, and then I will go here 5 and then 2. See this, I will close directly. When you close directly also, would you like to transfer? Yes. And you can able to put some value here.
Okay.
Okay. So all these 3 method you can able to do. So it will be coming.
Why it is green?
No, this is like, see, this is not beams. You need to consider the plate. See, plate cursor you need to take. See, then it will come. This is only the plates, no beams.
And what is surface?
And surface is different. That we will see later. That surface cursor we need to use.
Okay. These are plates. Okay.
Geometry, run structure wizard. Okay. Surface also similar to plate only. For example, here I'm just going for cylindrical surface and apply. This is what the surface. Okay, when you're putting this, yes. And then this is also coming in plate only. So it is in a plate. So surface, geometry, run structure wizard. See, for example, quad plate.
Cooling tower.
This is also a plate. Okay. Surface, I will tell you. Okay, when it comes. Okay.
Okay. What is quad plate?
Quad plate in the sense like this we have now. This is like we used to say like a quad plate, and it's a kind of mesh. We can say mesh. Okay. This is like a regular mesh. We can also go for irregular mesh. So that we will discuss later. See here we have a quadrilateral kind of mesh. If you go for triangle, then it will be in a triangle. See, this is what the difference. Quadrilateral means it will be having 4 sides. In a triangle, it will be having 3 sides. That's what the difference. See now the diagonal lines were not visible because this is quadrilateral. It's a kind of plates. For a big slab, now we can able to use this kind of plates. Okay. And at the same time here, what are all the things we have? See, we have a zoom in, zoom out, and then this is so this is something fitting everything in one window. And then here it is having dynamic zoom. This is zoom all. This is dynamic zoom. So you can able to just take and then you can able to zoom or zoom out. And this is for pan. You know the pan in AutoCAD we used to. Okay, and these things like we already discussed in STAAD itself. So this is the top view, front view, like that 3D isometric view. And then this is like rotating in particular direction. For example, if you want to rotate like this, you can rotate. If you want to rotate like this, rotate. Okay, and then if you're going for isometric view, it will be like perfect. Okay. And this is what it is. And then if you want to save current model, you can save. Because before we are doing now, for example, spherical surface, I will just go for a spherical region, base diameter 10 and then 5, apply. I will put here a latitude 5. And then I just want to save this model. Okay, I'm just going for save current model. Save current model.
Okay.
1 minute. See, you need to just drag and drop here, saved user models, untitled 1, select the name of the model. What we can put? Spherical surface. Okay, and then I'm just clicking OK. So it will be here. So like that, we can have many things that we are creating, then we can reuse it again. See, when you can just drag and drop, for example, see here, and then drag and drop, it will automatically come. No need to create again and again. For example, here also we have created now frame models. See here, it is not, again we need to create. Before what I'm doing, 10, 15, and then all these things I'm putting now, 2 and then 3, and then 15, and then number of phase along height. Okay, so this is what it is. And if you want to save that, save, and then go to here, and then So you just click here and then click here, and then we can able to save. And you can name accordingly, so you should not forget. What is this? Okay, so this it will be always there.
Okay, so you clicked there and it showed automatically.
Save. See, when you're clicking, like you can practice. See, you need to go here. For example, I will just take something cylindrical truss model, and then I'm just going for Huawei roof. And here I'm just going to put a 15, and here I'm just going to put 3 meter with the 10, and then but the base 2 or I will put for 4 or 3 I will put. Okay, here 6 it's okay, but here what I'm going to do is 2.5. Okay. So 2.5 and then click OK and then apply. See, now this you can able to save. See, you need to click this and you need to click here and you need to click here and you need to drop here. So this is what it is.
Okay.
So here you can put numbers also for your understanding. So, but now I'm just putting only the name, what kind of. Okay. Okay. So like this we can able to do. For example, if you want to just put this transfer model is better and then yes, and it will come into our software.